Welcome back. Hi, this is Sue from Cassie Cool Creations, and this is part 2 of how to create a seamless repeating pattern in GIMP and upload it to Printful to create a neck gaiter. So in the last video, we used GIMP to create this template or a pattern, and then we used it to create this beautiful repeat pattern on a black background. So what I want to mention in this video is that in case you want to go back and make changes, like let's say later on you want to make another design using triangles instead of circles here, or you want to switch up the pineapple for something else, you can do that, but make sure you save a copy of this particular file so that you can have access to the undo history so that you can go back and make changes. So how you do that is click File, Save As, and you'll notice that it's an XCF file. So XCF means it's a particular file that GIMP recognizes, and it's an editable one instead of a PNG file. So I'm going to name this pineapple repeat pattern. Okay. And for this pattern, what I'll do is export as, and that will create a PNG file so I can use it to upload into Printful. And I'll say pineapple repeat pattern, black background. And it'll ask you to export again. Okay, so once you're logged into Printful, click on Stores and then View Stores, and you want to add a product. So neck gaiters are under Accessories, Face Masks, and then click on the neck gaiter image. For this particular design, I want black stitching because the background is black. And then click on Design, choose File, and we're going to upload our pineapple repeat pattern. And it is here. Let's choose this pattern, and we'll go to Mockup View. So this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. Again, it'd be nice if Printful actually had all the models here so we could preview how it looks like on all of the models, but it's still nice that they give us three of the, I believe, 5 models. So on this particular one, okay, so we proceed to mockups, and let's choose this gentleman. Oh, it's the same one I chose in the other video. What a coincidence. Okay, proceed to details. So it's going to be, let me just pull up one of my other listings. Let's see. So this is the Summer Fun series, and I did the pineapple one earlier. Okay, I'll just put it on my other screen so I can copy and paste the information. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Printful, and whoops, I copy and pasted something different. Okay, now I have the correct title. So I had put Summer Fun Pineapple Neck Gaiter for my previous one on a green background. So I'm just going to say Summer Fun Pineapple Black Neck Gaiter just to distinguish them. And this, I think I'll go ahead and copy the description as well. Okay, so this Summer Fun Pineapple Black Neck Gaiter is a versatile accessory, so that looks great. And I'm including the link to my Summer Fun Watermelon Neck Gaiter so that if they were interested in a different fruit, then they have many choices. And then I'm also giving them a link to my store, to my Etsy store, so they can view some of the other products in there. We're going to add tags, face mask. Not going to add green neck gaiter because this one is black. Summer Fun mask, Summer Fruits mask, Pineapple mask, Fruit neck gaiter, Summer Fun, gifts for her, gifts for one, fashion face mask, stylish gifts, multifunction mask, gifts for him. And let's put black face mask. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So we've used all 13 tags now. For product sections, selecting neck gaiters and then proceed to pricing. I've been pricing these at $30.97. This is a great suggestion from my sister who has done a lot of research. So we're going to submit to store. Okay, so sometimes this takes a moment for it to upload. Looks like it's coming along nicely. Okay, now we can edit in Etsy. And what I like to do in addition to these great mock-ups is to provide a copy of the actual pattern. So what you can do is go back to GIMP and maybe go on 50 so that they can have a nice a nice clear view of how the pattern looks like. So I'm gonna use my snipping tool here and try to snip a square because in Etsy whoops, let's undo that. There you go, and new, okay. Yeah, try to create a square because in Etsy the images are square. So something like this, just do your best. And I'm going to name it, let's see, pineapple repeat pattern, and it's going to be for Etsy. Okay, so let's then go back to our listing page here. Oops, wrong one. I have a lot of files open. Okay, here it is. So add photo, and let's select the pineapple. Here it is. Oops, looks like I didn't create a perfect square, but I think it'll do for now. And because Printful is integrated with Etsy, a lot of this information has carried over. So about this listing, I would select another company or person because Printful is a print-on-demand company. It's a finished product and it's made to order, so those are perfect. So in category, we type in neck gaiter and select this particular one, neck gaiter in face mask and coverings. Primary color is black, so this will help the SEO. It'll give it a little bit of SEO boost because black neck gaiters are being searched quite frequently right now. Secondary color maybe yellow because the pineapples are yellow. And I'm just going to select automatic renewal so I don't have to manually go in and renew each time it's been sold or the listing expires after 4 months. And so all the description has transferred over, which is great. For production partner, this is from Printful, so I'll select them. Section is neck gaiters, and it's transferred over all the tags, so I don't have to re-enter that. And the price is $30.97. Quantity is 999 by default, so we don't have to worry about inventory running out. And for here, select Printful neck gaiters. So this is the one that I had gone in and created manually. It's a shipping profile that I went in and created manually, so that has the correct pricing. And that's it. So we publish, and then it's going to tell you that there's a non-refundable fee of 20 cents for each new listing. So publish. Okay, and sometimes it takes a while, but if you refresh the page a couple of times, your new neck gaiter will, oh, there it is. This time it was very fast. So that's our Summer Fun Pineapple Black Neck Gaiter. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.